Also, guys, we are in a 2025. Okay, guys, if you're new here, my name is Wiggy. Please do consider joining the fold by clicking the subscribe button. To my returning subbies, welcome, welcome, welcome back. I'm just talking to you guys so much. Now, I hope all of you are back. Okay, I am praying that we all crossed over. Okay, anyways, guys, I'm about to leave the house right now and I'm going to the mall to run some errands. Also, today it is a Saturday, so we need to get like the kitchen ready for this month of January. I don't have anything to eat. I feel like every time I'm starting a vlog and I'm going to the shops, I'm telling you guys I don't have anything to eat. Anyways, before we leave, I wanted to just show you guys outfit of the day. Okay, the top is from H&M. We have my wide leg pants from Pep. The slides are from Mr. Price, and jewelry. Let me get closer, okay? Because I love showing you guys my jewelry. Today I'm decked out. But yeah, I have my Sam's bracelet from Grace the Brand. This one I got from Shein. It came with this one, so both of these are from Shein. And guys, I love can you see how the gold match? Like Shein, if you look really good and you read the reviews on Shein, you will come up you will pick some really nice pieces from Shein. Okay, today is my first time wearing this one. Okay, you guys saw me unbox this perfume for you guys or show it to you guys on my last vlog of 2024. This is the scent. Okay, it's my first time wearing this perfume, and I have when I did unbox it, I ended up spraying some of it on on a t-shirt. Can I just say I don't like the atomizer? Okay, whoever said expensive perfumes have good atomizers, they lied. Okay, I do not like the atomizer of this perfume. But yeah, I sprayed some of this in a t-shirt, and let me tell you guys, I unboxed this thing the week of Christmas. I believe it was after Christmas. Was it after Christmas? I think it was on the 26th when I did the unboxing for this perfume. Okay, today is the 4th of January. That t-shirt, I can still smell this perfume on that t-shirt. Whoever said this perfume doesn't last, I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe you got a bad bottle, I don't know. Because mine definitely lasts, okay? On clothes, it lasts a long time. But yeah, that is the scent of the day. This bottle is so cute, I just can't get over it. But anyways, I did think about taking you guys with me, but all my batteries are flat. Also, this vlog is impromptu, it wasn't planned at all. All the batteries for this camera is flat. On top of that, I'm carrying this small bag, so you guys are not going to be able to fit. So I will just take some clips with my phone, okay? But yeah, guys, let us go. I need to request an Uber, okay? Yeah, I'll see you guys once we get to the mall.
your love or 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need. And I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything. As long as I can be here with you, everything's alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now.
Hey guys, welcome to another day. It is a Sunday right now and I'm about to leave the house to go to church. And before I go, I wanted to share the outfit of the day. So the top and the jeans are from Mr. Price, and then I have my white Adidas with the pink the pink Adidas logo, and those ones I did unbox in my one of my recent vlogs. Okay, the vlogs that I put out in December. That's when I unboxed those shoes. The jewelry is the same jewelry that I had on yesterday, and yeah, okay, that's Shein and Grace the brand. And then the bag I'm gonna carry is this one. Guys, I need to give this bag a break, okay? And I need to go to Woolies, because Woolies sells this like off-white bag that I really want to get. I feel like that bag would be like the second biggest one after this one, and I can just use that one also when I feel like carrying my camera, because right now when I want to carry my camera or when I want to carry a lot of things, this is the bag that I go for. I do have another bag that is bigger than this one, but that one is my work bag and it's also really not that cute, so I definitely need to go past by Woolies. And the scent of the day, we are going to be wearing Black Opium, okay? And this one is the Perfume one. Now what I've decided to do is I'm going to keep my designers in their box in the drawer, okay? Because right now I don't have space for my designers, and I know myself, this year I'm going to be buying a lot more Middle Eastern perfumes. So that shelf is going to be for like Middle Eastern perfumes and Zara perfumes, even though I'm not sure if, I think I've stopped buying Zara, guys. I don't know, okay? Because in 2024, when we started 2024, I told you guys that I'm not going to be buying any Zaras, and I kept to my word. I did not buy any Zara perfumes in 2024. Going into 2023, like 2025, yesterday I went to Zara, and let me tell you something, okay? I did smell some really nice perfumes from them, but nothing really grabbed my attention. I don't know. Also, I feel like Zara to me is not worth it's not worth those prices, okay? It is not worth paying full price. All my Zara perfumes, actually no, I'm about to lie right now. I only have 2 Zara perfumes that I like bought full price, and that's because Zara never puts those perfumes on sale. Never ever. It's a Red Temptation and a Rose Gourmand. Those 2 and Golden Decade, even though I'm not a fan of Golden Decade, but those Zara never puts on sale, okay? So my other Zara perfumes you guys have seen, I've gotten them on sale because I'm not about to pay those crazy prices. Anyways, yeah, this is the scent of the day. So let's just quickly do this. So I have right here 1050, and I'm gonna be stuffing like I think 6 envelopes. Okay, so this is gonna be a quick one. Now, as I said, I have 1050, so let's just quickly count it. 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 950 1000 2 4 50 1050. As I said, first envelope is going to be show me some love, and right here we currently have 1460, and I'm putting 420 in this envelope right here. So I didn't like already calculate how much is it gonna be after, so we're just gonna do that together. Okay, now it's just gonna be a long video, and here I am saying it's not gonna be a 2 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So we have 18,080 currently in show me some love. I'll update that later. I hope I've counted it correctly, okay? Because one thing about me, when I'm counting in a rush, I'm just not good at it, okay? The next envelope, is there another one here? We have hair care, and in hair care, I'm gonna be putting, we have nothing in hair care. We have 2 rand in hair care, okay? And I'm gonna be putting 100 rand in hair care. Okay, this is one of those envelopes that I just like having something in it, because I'm always buying something for my hair, whether it is a brush or it's like a gel or something. The next one is going to be deco. This one, honestly, since I've been like buying stuff for my apartment, I haven't really been stuffing this one, because every month I'm buying something for the apartment. And also we have money here, but where's we have 35 rand in this envelope. Oh, here's the thingy. So 35 rand plus 130, that's 165 rand. Okay, so we'll update that later. So we are done with the high priority sinking funds, and then for the low priority sinking funds, we're going to be stuffing my miscellaneous envelope. We're going to be putting 200 rand in here. We have nothing. So yeah, this one definitely needs to have something, especially because some of these places that I buy online, they don't do free shipping. So this definitely helps when it comes to paying for shipping. And then I'm gonna put 100 rand on the coffee. Okay, I still have I have 360 in coffee, so I'm gonna put 100 rand. And now we have 460 in here. I'm hoping that I'll be able to maybe get 1,000 rand before winter comes, okay? And then the next box, which I think is the last one, is gonna be the Medi box envelope. This one right here, this is a new envelope that I just recently added. You guys can even tell that it doesn't even have a proper label. And this one is so that I can buy, like, I currently have, I think, 84 rand. So that I can buy stuff that I can't buy with my medical aid. Like, you know, like this, the little, like, things that your medical aid doesn't cover is for this. I can just buy them with the money that I put in here. So that was it, guys. As I told you guys, this one was gonna be so quick. So we've already stuffed the 1050. I'm gonna end the vlog right here, guys. I hope that you did enjoy it, and if you did, make sure that you click the like button, okay? We need to show YouTube that there is an interaction happening with my videos. You don't need to leave like meaningful, some like elaborate comment. I also take like emojis, okay? Like when there's interaction happening in the comment section and also the like button is being clicked, YouTube can see that this video people enjoy it, and they can recommend it to other people that have never come across my channel. So make sure that you guys you do all of that, okay, before you like log off or you move to another video. And yeah, subscribe also if you haven't subscribed. And yeah, guys, I'll see you on the next one. I love you guys so much. Bye.